Okay guys, so today we're going to be embedding wax foundation into our pre-wired timber frames. I made this timber jig which supports the wax foundation underneath the wires. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be small enough to fit inside the foundation and at the same height as the groove in the top of the frame. When placing the wax foundation, ensure it's in the groove at the top of the frame, securely, basically as far as it will go. Lay the frame down, ensuring that the wax foundation remains in the groove at the top when you place it over your jig. And make sure that it's secure and pretty even around the sides and the bottom. This is a 12-volt wax embedder. You can buy these from your beekeeping supplies. They connect to a 12-volt battery, made of timber, have a button on one end, and they have 4 copper studs which push down on the wires and emit current, which heat the wires. You place them on top of the frame, ensuring that all copper lugs are pushed onto the wire, and press the button. The current heats up the wire, which in turn melts the wax. You release the button, and the wax hardens, holding the wire in place. I usually press the button for 3 seconds, and hold the embedder on there without the button pressed for a further 3 seconds, ensuring that the wax has dried and the wire stays intact. As you can see, they do a really good job.